Demi-Circle of music from Demi-Circle.com to learn my natural notes. Starting with the 6th string, open E. Every dot's a fret. I'm going to learn just the letters. 1 fret to F. 6th string open is E. 1 fret to F. 2 frets to G. 2 frets to A. 2 frets to B. 1 fret to C. 2 frets to D. 2 frets to E. Descending counterclockwise, 2 frets to D. 2 frets to C. 1 fret to B. 2 frets to A. 2 frets to G. 2 frets to F, and 1 fret to E. Let's try it together a couple times. You ready? E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E. E, D, C, B, A, G, F, E. Real slow. E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E. Practice your natural notes until you know them and never guess again. Find the Demi-Circle of music at Demi-Circle.com. I'm Dimitri.